Alright, and welcome back, Backpack. Today I'm late again, unfortunately, but yes, we're playing Rayman Legends still. And to be honest, oh, I forgot to do my thing. Nah, quit game. I need to do that at least. I needed to do that at least once. Oh yeah, we unlocked a new character in the last video. Which one is it? This fella. Nice. Back to the Glade of Dreams. The mage looking... I don't know what these blue guys are called. But yeah. Today, I had a late night shift. I got off work. Drove to my girlfriend to pick her up. And then we wanted to drive to my place. Oh, this looks beautiful. Wanted to drive to my place and my car wouldn't start. And basically what I did to my car, at least what I think I did to my car, was that I suffocated it somehow, because when I turned around the keys when I turned around the key inside the ignition to turn it on, basically, I felt like I was basically, during that process, trying to start the car, I was not struggling, but I wasn't sure of how hard I should pause. How hard I should pause again. Oh, now I'm done. I was wondering how hard I should turn the key, because since I know that I broke the ignition lock because of me trying to... Oh. No, I want to die on that one. So, I basically was afraid of breaking the ignition lock again. That little pin back there that I already broke once and that I needed to fix already. And what is it? I can't find the word right now, to be honest. What is it called when you... I was basically not confident with me turning around my key too much, because I was afraid of breaking the ignition lock again. And because of that, because of me being scared to break it again, I somehow thought I would make that jump. I somehow thought to myself, well, let's try to let go a bit, and somehow that made my car not start anymore from that moment. And basically I broke my car once again. And I don't know how I keep on managing to do that. But yes, my car won't start again. It won't start again. And I tried turning around the keys. I think it's a similar problem, because what my car is showing me, it feels like a similar problem, but not like the same one at the same time. Like, it feels like, okay, it's probably something with this and that again, but not entirely. It's basically, my strategy for tomorrow will be taking apart the ignition lock again, and after taking apart the ignition lock, I wanted to try... No, first off I wanted to basically cut out the battery power from the car. And then I wanted to take apart the ignition lock again. I love them. Woos. Oh, it's like Angry Birds. That's cool, that's cool. Come on, are you serious? No, there was something behind, wasn't there? I think there was something behind there. Yes, it looks like it. No. I want to restart the level now. Ah, because I missed something. Oh. At least I got some doubles. Nice. Oh. It would have suffocated me as well. But it's interesting how I find some things and how I don't find some things at the same time. Well. Oh well. Nope, he got me. And yeah. Now it's basically what time? It's 23:47. Oh man, I messed that up badly. But yeah, my car won't start. I need to figure that one out again. The good thing is, for the next 3 days I don't have to go to work. That's a good thing. So if I'm too close, he will get me guaranteed, okay? Noted. Now he's awake. And I want to die in the game again, because I miss so many looms. It's annoying me so much. Nice. At least we got it now. I hope the level ends soon, to be honest. I know I'm taking way too long for that. And yeah, it's quite nerve-wracking and annoying that my car broke down again. I'm so slow, brother, like... Where are they though? Maybe on the other side again? Oh, there they are. Nice. I like how the leaves go up slowly but surely. I'm just speechless, you know. I didn't expect my car to break down again. Yeah, just like I said, the suffocating part, like I didn't give my car the power it needed to start again. Maybe the battery is out, but I don't think the battery has no energy anymore, because then I think it would have reacted differently. But yeah. Besides my car not turning on, life's good. I'm glad I got home. That's a big plus. It would be much worse if my car would have broken down in front of my work. Then I would have needed to call for help again, and it would have taken a long time till I get to my girlfriend's place again. And we don't want that now, do we? But with that being said, I'm not gonna do a time trial. I'm already late to uploading this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for all the love and support. Thank you for every comment, like, new subscriber. Thank you for joining me on this journey of me trying to achieve my dreams. And hopefully I will figure out tomorrow why my car won't start, what I broke again probably, and how I can prevent it from happening next time. Probably just turn the key around inside the ignition lock with confidence. I just had lack of confidence. I didn't want to break it again. I was scared of breaking it again. That's the only reason why that happened. I'm not gonna do the boss yet. I think in the next video I'm gonna do a time trial on one of those levels and then go up there to do the chest levels because I love them big time. But yeah, with that being said, have a wonderful and amazing day. Enjoy the rest of your day. Do what you love, do what you can, and you know, always try to see the positive, because the good thing is I got home safely, well, to my girlfriend's place at least. I was still able to push my car because I was blocking basically a place where people live and where a garage is, so that they can drive their cars in and out of their driveway. Yes, I was blocking a driveway basically, so I needed to push my car to a parking space where my car can actually stand without annoying anyone or without being in anyone's way. And yet again, I see the positive. I got home to my girlfriend. It seems like everything is working. Maybe it just needs a little push now because I suffocated it a little bit. That's just how it seems to me, you know? But what do I know about cars? There's a reason why not a car mechanic has a job anymore. Not only because it's not fun, because I lack a lot of knowledge and a lot of talent and everything. But that's enough yapping. Have a good one, and tomorrow I will give you the news if I know what happened, what worked out, and if it goes good and if my car starts again. But that being said, until then,